This one's for EmersonCollie.
Can install vintage Hunter original ceiling fan now. Panning camera up now, hint. Setting box down.
Now.
Sure.
Can put box down now. Cannot put box down now.
Reverse air blade stuck to paper.
Now.
Now.
And now, can install blade on fan now.
If can remember where screwdriver is. Now. Putting screws in pocket now.
Can install now.
Playing pocket pool now.
Alright, we're
You
still
know
rolling.
what? Screw this. Whoops. Putting blade on bracket now, and well, since this is a EmersonCollie parody, we're not.
Yeah, he does it better.
Yeah, we're not gonna exactly do this one right. So yeah.
Okay, cut. We're going to install the blades. Okay. Go.
Hunter vintage original ceiling fan model number 22274. Manufactured December 1978. Installed now.
Fan installed now.
Putting fan on high now.
Yay, fan.
With some glue.
Yeah, I think that's a
now.
little bit loose.
We'll have to fix that now, later. Look, Mama, it's hauling ass.
Yeah, that's a good fan.
Yeah, it is. You realize we've just screwed up the whole ceiling fan now thing, but I guess it doesn't really matter.
Okay, so we're Tiger and Mr. Fanman to you from Dangerous Tacos. See you next time.
Peace. And since Mike doesn't